I'm P. Madhara, lecturer in physics. In continuation of the video lectures, gravitation. Today we will discuss problems in gravitation. Okay, problems. First problem. At what height? At what height? At what height from the surface of the earth? From the surface of the earth. From the surface of the earth, the gravitational potential. The gravitational potential the gravitational potential and value of G. Value of G are 4.8 into 10 to the power of 7 joule per kg square and 3 meter per second square. Radius of the earth is 6,400 kilometers. Okay. At what height from the surface of the earth the gravitational potential and value of G are 4.8 into joule per kg square, 3 meter per second square. Now you know gravitational potential formula is given by V is equal to Gm by R plus H. Now G dash is equal to, we have Gm by R plus H whole square. Now G dash into R plus H is equal to Gm by R plus H. Now here in this, if you replace this value with G dash into R plus H. Okay. Now if you write like this, what your value you have got here? G dash value is 4.8 into 10 to the power of 7, 3 into R, that is H plus R is 6,400 into 10 to the power of 3. You know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Now if you simplify this goes how many times? 1.6. 1.6 into 10 to the power of 7 is equal to H plus 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6. Now I will continue here. Now this is, you can write as 16 into 10 to the power of 6 is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6 plus H. H is equal to 16 minus 6.4 into 10 to the power of 6. That is how much you are going to get here. Here 16 minus 6.4. This is 6, 9. You got here 10, 6. Here 9.6, right? 10, 16. So here it is 9.6. So H is equal to 9.6 into 10 to the power of 6. Otherwise 96 into 10 to the power of 5. Otherwise 9600 kilometers. This is meters. H is equal to this value. Okay. This you take it as first step. This you take it as second step. This you take it as third step. Important problem. Okay. Gravitational potential is given by Gm by R. Since you are asked to calculate at height of H, so here you got R plus H. V is equal to G dash into R plus H. At a height of H, G value is given. G dash is equal to Gm by R plus H whole square. Now G dash into R plus H, Gm by R plus H. This value I am replacing with G dash into R plus H. So simplifying, you got 9,600 kilometers. Next problem. Next one, two bodies of masses m and 9m are separated by distance r. Find the gravitational potential at a point on the line joining where gravitational field is zero. Now you know this, you take it out like this, A, B. In between them, gravitational field can be zero. M you take 9m. Okay. So at a distance of x, total distance is r. This distance is r minus x. Now at the point C, we assume that this gravitational field is zero. You want to calculate potential. Now here, so in order to calculate the point where the field is zero, you know gravitational field I, you can take it as I is equal to gm by r square, intensity of gravitational field. So if you write like this, another point, unit mass you have to consider here. Between these two, one unit mass, 1 into gm, 1 into m by x square. So you write like this. That is AC, along AC if you take gm by x square is equal to 9 gm by r minus x whole square. This cancel out. Taking square root, here take square root, taking square root, what do you get here? 1 by x is equal to 3 by r minus x. So if you simplify here, r minus x is equal to 3x, 4x is equal to r. Okay, now what you got? X is equal to r by 4 you got. X is equal to r by 4. Now this is first part. Now x is equal to r by 4 means, what is r minus x? R minus r by 4. That is 4 LCM. 4r minus r. That is 3r by 4. R minus x value is 3r by 4. Now to calculate the gravitational potential at the point C, you have to take gravitational potential AC and CB. So here gravitational potential is equal to minus gm by x minus 9gm by r minus x. Now if you write this formula here again, here I write in the middle, here continuation, v is equal to minus gm by, what is x value you got? R by 4 minus 9gm by, what is r minus x value? Just now calculated, no? R minus r by 4, that is here 4r minus r, that is 3r by 4 you got. So 3r by 4. Okay. So here v is equal to, if you take LCM, minus 12gm, here minus 36gm by 3r. That is minus 48 gm by 3r. That is how much here? That is minus 16 gm by r. Minus minus 16 gm by r. I write here. This is down, taking down. Minus this value, if you write here, V value is minus 16 gm by r. This is the answer you got. Okay, this is about the gravitational potential where the field is 0. First we take in x, r minus x. We calculate the point where r by 4 here, from here to here r by 4. Remaining distance we got as 3r by 4. So potential, you calculate potential, what you have to do, you have to take this distance. It's like electric potential. That potential point you have to take some. VAC plus VBC you should take. VAC, that is potential at VAC plus potential at VBC if you take. You are getting this as 16 gm by r. This is the second problem. Okay. And next we have got the another problem. Like now in this a body of mass m kg, a body of mass m kg falling from a point point 2r above the surface of the earth, 2r above the surface of the earth. Above the surface of the earth. Find its kinetic energy. Find its kinetic energy when it has fallen to a height r. When it is fallen to a height r above the earth's surface. Above the earth's surface. Now the other day I did when a body projected vertically upwards, what is the maximum height reach we calculated. Similarly, other situation, the freely falling body from a height of body, m starts falling from a height from a point 2r above the surface of the earth. So here what you got first, freely falling body means here it is this kinetic energy is 0. R from the surface of the earth, again 2r you have got, total height from the midpoint of the earth. Now fallen to a height how much? Gm by r plus r. From the center only are calculating. Plus half mv square. Okay. So you need to simplify this. Now here, if you take gmm by 2r minus gmm by 3r is equal to half into mv square. Half into mv square. Now what you got here? You want, what is this kinetic energy? Ke only you want. So Ke is equal to this value. How much you got here? This is 6r. That is gmm into 3 minus 1. So what is the kinetic energy? Gmm by 6r. You are asking this kinetic energy only, no? Directly. You are asking find its kinetic energy. You understand situation, no? While projecting upwards, it is different situation. This for your freely falling body, you have got potential energy here. Plus what is kinetic energy for freely falling body? You have 0. This is kinetic energy 0, potential energy you have got. So it is falling from certain height. And it is at a distance of r. R you have got both potential and kinetic. Equate, you will get kinetic energy as gmm by 6r. Okay. Thank you.